Breaking news coverage continues now on News Channel 11. Flash floodings devastated communities in Buchanan County, Virginia. Tonight, a state of emergency is in effect. That was declared by Governor Youngkin this afternoon. U.S. Congressman Morgan Griffith is monitoring the situation in Washington tonight. He joins us now live from his office there. Congressman, thank you for your time. Give us an update. What is the latest that you are hearing about, I guess, the human and property impact from the flooding overnight in Buchanan County?
Well, we still have a number of people who are missing. The good news is so far we don't have any fatalities that are known, and we only have one injury that is known at this point. But like I say, we still have a number of people who are missing. Property damage is extensive. Over 100 homes look like they've been destroyed. There's significant damage. The roads are not passable in some areas. There's one area that Senator Hackworth and all of us had a phone call that the governor facilitated earlier this afternoon. And Senator Hackworth and Delegate Moorfield and Delegate Kilgore and Delegate O'Quinn were all on the call. And Senator Hackworth was telling us about a road that there's just a sheer drop off on one side of it for about 20 feet down into the river. So there's some pretty hard hit areas, and we're very concerned. Communication is virtually impossible back in there. Most people are staying with their houses because they're worried about looters, unfortunately. So hopefully we can get some more help with folks who are going to help out the Buchanan law enforcement team that are doing the best they can. But a lot of folks are doing what people in Southwest Virginia do. They're protecting their own property. Right.
Congressman, we had heard that as many as 40 people might be missing, but there was hope that that number would drop once they just, were able to make contact. Do you have any information about that?
We don't, but there's still that belief that a lot of folks got out of there and went to visit relatives or stay with relatives, and that they don't know they're missing because to them they aren't. Their family knows where they are, but somebody mentioned that they didn't know where that person was. So we're hopeful that the vast majority of those 40 are people who are with friends or family, but until we are able to get more information, we're just not going to know.
Let me ask you real quickly before we have to let you go. What are you going to be doing in Washington tonight to help the people of Buchanan County?
Well, we're certainly keeping tabs on it, working with the local legislators, working with the governor's office, trying to see what we can do. We're actually voting on the floor this evening, but I will continue to monitor the situation and do whatever I can. I've already implored everybody to make sure that all the damage is recorded, because sometimes volunteer groups go in and they will take care of the damage and nobody notes it, and that makes a difference on getting FEMA help.
And you will be asking for FEMA to help, do you expect?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right, Congressman Morgan Griffith live in Washington as he monitors the latest in Buchanan County. Thank you for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Mark?